Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to delete dual apps on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who have duplicated too many applications on your cell phone, it can cause your cell phone to become slow down, and from now on you must immediately delete the dual apps or duplicate apps from your cell phone. And how to delete it is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. And I will give you two tips on how to delete it. Alright, first now you can go to the apps that you want to delete like this, and then now you can long press and click uninstall, and then so yeah, the apps will be gone immediately. Alright, the second tips, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to apps menu, and then now you can go to dual apps, and then you can turn off the apps that you want to uninstall. And then so yeah, the apps will be deleted immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.